Hello, so today I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this freestyle hairstyle. Okay, so let's get into the video. When you want to make your freestyle hairstyle, okay, when you say freestyle, that doesn't mean it doesn't have pattern. Okay, you have to know what you want to do, okay, because pattern is quite important. Okay, when you are making any type of hair, the beauty of the hair starts from the pattern. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make hair, just subscribe, like this video, and share. Okay, because I always bring to you guys everything about hair. Okay, about natural hair, about straight hair. Okay, so today I'm making this my friend. Hey, she's from Brazil. Shout out to all my Brazilians friends out there. Okay, so we are making her hair, and today I was like, I'm going to do you a free hairstyle. Okay, freestyle hairstyle. So I don't know if I'm getting it right. You can see the way I'm parting this hair because the pattern is quite important and it can be funny sometimes parting this type of hairstyles. Okay, you can see it, you'll be like, I don't know where he started from and I don't know where he's going to, and I don't know where he's heading from and where he's headed to. Okay, so parting your hair is quite important. It's very paramount. Any type of hairstyle you are making, make sure that the pattern is first, you get the pattern first. Okay, first you have to visualize and see what you want to do, then you go ahead and start patting. Okay, you can see I've patted out the side and I'm now using my styling gel. Another thing I will tell you is when you're making any hairstyle, don't overuse styling gel. For me, I don't like it. Okay, you just apply a normal amount so that your hair will be smooth, and after that you start braiding your hair. And you can see from the beginning I didn't start adding any extension because her hair is quite okay and I don't need to start adding any extension from the beginning. You can see I now added just a little at a moment. Okay, little at a moment. Okay, so just keep watching. Okay, this hairstyle is so beautiful. Just follow the flow, and if you like what you're seeing, just like, okay, subscribe, follow us. Okay, and if you know that you will want to do this type of hairstyle, okay, save it. Okay, save it in your anywhere you want to save it so that you can see the hairstyle and show it to your hairstylist. Okay, and if you want to see more of this type of video, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I will leave you to watch the video now. All right. And here is the final look. She is loving the hair, and I'm loving the hair. The hair is giving. The hair is giving. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. You can say it has coils on the tips.